tutorial I'm going to look at how we work with the parts library and some of the possibly less known features in using it. So the first part that you ever place is going to be grounded based on the coordinate system of the part to the coordinate system of the assembly. So if I double click on the part, it's going to insert that into my assembly for me. In this instance, I have a folder with a large number of files, so I can right mouse click in here and turn off any assembly and weldment documents. I'm not going to work with those or sheet metal, so we're only looking at part files. So that shortens my list a little bit and helps to find what I'm after. Another thing that you can do is in the preview window, you'll see that you can actually rotate the part, and the orientation of this here when you drag it in will be the orientation that it is displayed in when you come in. I've just positioned that because I'm going to go through using the assemble command. One of the other things that you can do is to, if you hold the shift key down while you drag it in, it's just going to drop it in without going into the relationship assistant. Now if I go through and just bring in, using the shift key, I can bring in a number of parts all in one go. Like so. Then I can use the assemble command, which will speed up the process a little bit. We have the ability to now assemble this part. This is using the flash fit, so I can pick up on any geometry and position this. If I want to lock it, I can lock that in position. That then drops straight in as a fully constrained part, as shown here. I can do the same with this one here. In this case, I'm going to use the align edges. Now, while I'm still in the assemble command, if I control click on this part, I can reorientate it. Right mouse click to come out of that session, and then I can position the files as I had before. That one's just gone in the wrong format, so we can come back, click on our relationship here. I can unlock that rotation, and then coming back into the part, I can rebuild that third relationship. So if I click on that part and that one, we can position that. Another advantage of flash fit is that we can come in and select an edge and an edge that it's going into, and that automatically builds in the relationships. So as you can see, we've got a mate and an align all done in the same option. So just quickly recapping, we can use the assemble command to build the relationships of all parts together. You can hold the shift key down when dragging a part in, which will place it without having to go into the relationships at that time. And we can use the flash fit to place something like a bolt very quickly.